Go put Liza outside. Mosey.
Moses.
Come on.
Moses.
Come here, Moses.
Got him. No.
Moses.
No, I don't got him. Come on, Liza.
Moses.
Come on. Come on.
Moses.
Get outside. Go. Go.
Moses.
Hold on.
Moses.
Well, Liza. Let's get.
Moses. Get the baby. Did you bring Beethoven in?
Beethoven.
He's in.
Beethoven. Oh, where is he?
Give me that baby.
You guys are going to screw it up.
Okay, stop. Stop. Morgan, I said stop. I don't want him back in the kitchen.
Stop! Your father's busy on the table.
We have to get Mario before he eats him.
Yeah, we have to get Mario. Seriously, we have to.
Go that way, Morgan.
This way.
Go that way.
Look at him. Look at little Mosey.
Give him a piece of bread.
Stop.
Close that gate.
Oh no, blind.
Okay, stop. I just want to get a picture.
Oh, this is funny. This is so funny. Well, that's my dog Moses.
Mosey. Okay, right there, Morgan. Right there. Right there.
Got him now! Mess. That's my mom.
Get him, Morgan. Morgan.
Got him! I got his head! Don't rip him or you're sticking him. Thank you.
You can't have Mario. Jeez.
Well,